Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Donna Rose Portacio from Dalicalinga, Aurora, Isabela. I'm 25 years old and I'm single. I have two brothers and I'm eldest child in the family. I'm college graduate. I took up business entrepreneurship.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have a work experience here in the Philippines as a housemate with 3 members, 1 couple and 1 child, and I do cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, and taking care of your child. And currently working as barista, I do serving and mixing coffee.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Please select me as your helper, and I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible. And I promise to serve you with all my best. Thank you.
Oh, so